Our target in Siaya is we have identified places to build 13,000 housing units. We already have the first site is the one I came and launched. We have now another 5 sites that we have advertised. And we have advertised a total of 4,000 units, 4,000 housing units in Siaya. We have advertised 1,000 units in Bondo. We have advertised in Ukwala. We have advertised in Ugenya. We have advertised in Ugunja. And we have advertised in Yala. Those are already advertised, a total of 4,000 units. And we're going to spend about 8 billion shillings to build those housing units. We have, in every constituency, we have identified at least one TVET, KMTC, or university. Just specifically, the university in Bondo, we are building hostels for 2,400 students in Bondo University, already advertised. We have another almost 3,500 hostel spaces in all the other TVETs, about 580 in some of the big TVETs. And we are going to spend, just in the construction of those hostels for our students in the university and in our TVETs, another 2.5 billion. Already they've been advertised, and we are moving on. We have also 16 markets in Siaya. We have 5 that are ongoing. We have 4 that have been advertised. And we have the big markets. We have a big market in Siaya Town. We're going to have a big market in Bondo. We are going to have another big market in another 2 major municipalities, which we are going to agree with the county government where. And we have committed in total about 2 billion shillings to do your markets. It was also necessary to look at the interventions in the blue economy, as I said when I was in Homa Bay. You know very well that we have 3 fish landing sites in Siaya. We have 1 that is operational. In fact, it's among the most successful, Luanda Kotieno. We have Wichlum, which we are working on. And we have, I think it is Usenge, that we are working on. So, and we want to see, we did a PIA in Homa Bay. We believe that Usenge is a candidate for a PIA. We are looking at what is the potential in the blue economy, and we want to work with you. I've already told Joho the plan on what we need to do. Fish cages is going to be the next horizon. We will be providing Siaya with fish cages and feed and whatever it is that is required. Joe is going to explain to you. So we need